Hello everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you two ways to change the screen on this computer, so make sure you stay to the end. I know there's been many tutorials out there on this. This one was very difficult. I tried using a planar tracker many times. It would not work because this is a video and he is moving slightly. I don't know if you'll be able to see the movement here or not, but I use the Intellitrack and I'm going to show you how to do it with that. The media I got from Pixabay. I can't leave it in the description. It's not mine to give away, but you can find it on there. I did try this several times with the planar tracker, and it tracks his movement and will not stay on the screen. I have to use this on-screen keyboard because I'm paralyzed. I cannot use my hands and arms. That's why it's on the screen. You have to make a copy of this, just like in the past. We've done it before. You do that by holding the Alt key down and dragging up. I'm going to turn track 1 off. I don't really have to, but I'm going to. And we'll go to the color page. The Magic Mask 2 operates about the same as the other one, except for it has dots, not a line. It's going to select better. As you add dots, there is a delay, at least in my system. And I'm on frame 16, so I'm going to have to track both ways. The new Magic Mask is pretty amazing. There's an underlay button here. You can click on that and you'll see how it's all red. Shows everything that's masked. Then right click up here. Add alpha output. That's all the same. Connect blue to blue. We'll go back to the edit page. Turn track 1 on. And track 2 off. Then go to the Fusion page. Put the media in selected. Shift space and tracker. And we're going to use Intellitrack. I tried tracking from this point here, but it wouldn't work. The two bottom ones would move along with his shirt, the corner. So I'm tracking the very corner of the computer. Add another one. And another one. And the fourth one. I am on frame 0, so I can just track forward. You kind of want to watch the 4 tracking points, make sure they don't move. All right, it's done tracking. Go to Operation. Change the corner positioning. Each corner will line up with the tracking point. Bring the media down. I want to put on the screen. And there it is. I don't have a middle mouse wheel. That's why I use that drop-down menu to zoom in case you're wondering. I'm going to select the tracker node. If you go under trackers, the very bottom will have your X and the Y offset for all 4 corners. I'm going to readjust it a little bit so it looks like it has a bezel around the computer. I'll select the first one. I'm not going to get too picky with this for the sake of the tutorial. Now the second one. The more time you spend with this, the better to look. Third one. and the fourth one. Click away and you can see what you have. That's good enough for the tutorial. Select your second media in 2, and add a blur. By default, it's set to 1, and that's sufficient for me. Set yours to your liking. Back to the edit page. Turn track 2 back on. Well, that's one way to do it. Now I'll show you the second way in Fusion. Okay, now I'll show you the second way to do it. We'll do it in Fusion. I have the same clip on a timeline. We don't have to copy it. Go to Fusion. With the media in selected. Shift space and magic mask. I'm not going to go over everything on the magic mask. I think we all know how to do that now. But I always select better. I'm on frame 0. I'm going to clean the edges up a little bit with the matte. Under the erode dilate. Something like that. Takes a lot longer to track this when you're doing it in Fusion. So I will pause it and come back. Go back to track. And I can track forward. Okay, it's done tracking. With the magic mask selected. Add emerge. Bring the same media down. And select that media. Shift space and tracker. Again, I'm going to use the Intellitrack. Now I'll track that. I was at the end, so I just went ahead and hit track both ways, just in case I had a frame left. So I'm going to track the one way anyhow. Okay, now we'll bring down the media we're going to put on the computer. Plug it into the tracker. Select the tracker. Go to operations. Change the operations to corner pinning. And again, they'll all line up to where your tracking points are. And then select the merge. Right click. And swap inputs. Now the subject is back in front of the screen. If you want to adjust it, I'm not going to spend too much time for the sake of the tutorial. The more time you spend on it, the better it will look. With the tracker selected, go back to trackers. We'll start with the first one. It's the same thing as the other one we did. That's good enough for the tutorial. And again, you don't want it looking too realistic. So add a blur node in here. Select the media 3, which is what's on the screen on the computer. And now whatever you adjust is only going to affect the computer screen we replaced. I'm usually happy with the default setting at 1. See, I'm a little bit too close over here. Move it over to something like that. Well, there you go. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.